everyone, it's Ella with Feeding Type 1, and this is a continuation of my entire internal remodeling everything in my apartment, redoing the layout, fixing it all to accommodate my plans for the following year. So in my first video on this project, I went over how I installed this up here. And now I'm going to share with you guys what I've done to this wall, which this one was a lot easier. I took hooks that are you screw them in like so, and I just looped the curtains around them like so. This has created a kind of sectioned off room. So I have some of my memory wall behind me, and then basically this here is the end of the kitchen, and then that out there is a living room. But I basically created a closed off room, and it is here where I currently have my vlogging chair and one of my OT balls. I love these. And then I have to clean up that corner still. And then I have the starts of the next thing, which is going to be hanging that back up. So these walls are very plain at the moment, but when I'm done, they're gonna look really awesome.